All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the end of day PulseWave report. Let's jump right into it. Starting with the Bitcoin futures, you'll see the market had a little bit of a tiny microscopic rally today, still struggling with the overhead resistance target at around 28,000. 30,000 is the psychological resistance. Still have a bullish trend momentum reading, so we expect prices to still try to continue to rally from this point. But you can see that we're getting close here to the top of the Kumo cloud resistance. And I think that's where the market's going to run into the most trouble, and that the bears will probably reclaim the price action. Taking a look here now at silver. You can see silver headed lower. We're right here at that $23 test that I've been telling you about. All right, so from $23 down to about $22.50. That is the support zone. So the market is now at support zone. You're still in a bull market, but you got this bearish trend momentum reading. So we expect prices to continue to head lower. Now, if the bulls really do battle here, then the bulls can reclaim the price action at $23 here, and then stage a relocking in of the bull trend, and then the market could explode higher. So we'll see. This is a do or die moment right now for silver. Looking at that gas, you're in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. We had a crash alert coming into today, and the market did see some downside production. We expect follow through tomorrow. Looking at the Dow's in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. We had this negative bot check, and today the market started to pull down and move toward the 33,000 support. If this support does not hold, it's a do or die moment for the Dow as well. We're looking at a very, very large, big down move that could turn the trend to bearish. So this is a do or die moment for the Dow. Looking at the NASDAQ 100. So the NASDAQ 100 came off of neutralized today. We hit a new fresh 52-week high, and now the market is giving us a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. 13,000 top of the Kumo cloud is the support and the initial downside target for the move. Next up, we got gold. Gold is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, stuck right in the center of the Kumo cloud, going nowhere, but that 1900 is still a very key support zone, psychological support for gold, and you don't want to see it get below that. If it does, it could spell disaster for gold, and you could see gold fall hundreds of dollars, maybe even more than $500. Looking at the S&P 500, we got a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. This market is locked in. We came into today with a crash alert. We got that downside production. 4,000 is the psychological support and the initial downside target for the down move in the S&P. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil is still neutralized. Bull market with a neutralized. So we got to wait till it comes off neutralized before we can do anything. But I believe that once it's over, it's going to come down here and take out this bearish pointer and hit new fresh 52-week lows. Next up is the Russell. The Russell is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. Getting close up here to test the 1850. It tried to test it today before pulling back. And it's looking like 1850 is a tougher resistance than the 1800. Still got a bullish trend momentum reading. So today's pullback will be used as a buy the pullback, buy the dip moment until this turns red. The Russell's still going to be a short-term buy for buyers, but I think we're getting long in the tooth here now that it finally took its time to get up here. It's right up at a zone where I don't think people are going to be buying here. I think bulls are probably going to give up and just take money off the table as they see the overhead 1850 resistance staring them in the face. Next up is the US dollar index, which is in a bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading. It's locked in, and we just hit a new weekly high. So I think this one, once it can get solid closes above the Kumo cloud, this one's off to the races. 109, here you come. Ethereum, bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. The market's right here at that 1900 resistance zone, and it's going to take a lot for the market to push through it. Can it push through it? Of course. It's trying to get a bear market rally together, but it's facing a very, very tough uphill battle. If it can do it, then the market will see another battle at 2000. So 1900 is your first resistance. Second resistance is at 2000, and it's going to be a lot for this market to do it. I think this green is about to turn red here soon, and the bears may reclaim this market. So just be cautiously careful when you're trading these markets. All right, folks, that's all we got tonight. Is a quick one. Not a lot of market activity today, so you know what it is. The system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Smash that like button. Peace.